This is a story about Bob Oates.
The team at Bob Oates is professional. They get down to business straight away, wear masks, and take off their shoes without being asked. They're also really knowledgeable. They've been able to diagnose the problem quickly and always take the time to answer my novice homeowner questions. They call ahead to say they're on their way or they're running late. Hey, it happens, and I appreciate the transparency. And perhaps the greatest endorsement of all, we have a new baby in the house, and each time they've been over, somehow the baby has managed to be sleeping. When I tell them that the baby's sleeping, they actually tiptoe around the house, whisper to me and to each other, and are actually as quiet as I believe they can be when fixing pipes in the wall and floor. This company is fantastic, and we've been using them multiple times. I highly recommend.
So next time you have a plumbing emergency, give Bob Oates a call.